Hey Steven, how are you? I'm great, thank you. My favorite kind of aircraft has got to be the class of aircraft called a drone. My specific favorite kind of aircraft, singular, right now, is the Tesla jet. Yes, it's a jet by Tesla that's redundantly powered, really amazing, full of amazing intellectual property, powered by electricity, can run for a long time, has a long range. We already have tons of orders from every airline, and we've acquired Boeing, and Boeing is going to manufacture these planes, and it's really exciting. I've been designing drones lately for Hatchet, which is a intelligence and military supply company that supplies purely to I-7 intelligence agency and military. Yeah, we have a line of drones there called HGS. And those are fun, but that's a whole entire line of drones. A line of drones is, a drone. Okay, so you have aircraft, that's a class or a type, and you have drone, which is a category, and then you have this certain line of drones by Hatchet, which is called HDS. And specifically, it's not like a physical line, it means a product line is the full term. Yeah, it truly is wonderful. One of HDS is an emergency vehicle, another one is a jet. A different HDS is for going ahead and delivering things through the sky. A different HDS is for, tracking and eliminating, killing targets of confirmed evil males throughout the universe that are harmful or could be harmful soon or in the future. Things of that nature, and they're extremely precise, very agile, and HDS is the way to go. We're super excited about it. Our team is working on it. Yeah. I'm constantly protected by the Secret Service, and they're always around me. I'm the presiding president of the USA. The acting president, Joe Biden, lives at the White House because it's a symbol and because it provides security for his specific position. However, my position and my state as a deity, legally, in legal terms, the deity known as God. I live in my bunker palace instead of the White House, and I have lots of other positions as well. And if everyone knew where my bunker palace is, it wouldn't be good. But I do live in New York State, which is a very sacred place, I believe.
All right, God save the Queen, man.
I'm thinking a bit about just dancing with my children and having a good time with my family. And motion. Thinking about designing legs for a special drone that could just walk on the streets, walk around cars, deliver a payload of lots and lots and lots of water to a house, even before it catches on fire. Stuff like that. We're using special technologies to try to detect forest fires before they happen, and all this fun stuff, and making new inventions, innovations every day. And that's why I am an inventor, and I've worked on over 4,000 inventions and patents, and over 100,000 patents, over 4,000 inventions so far. Yeah. QA confirmed? It's confirmed. It's still true. And it's, those are updated numbers. I already confirmed. Double checking. So. Sounds good. Thank you. See ya. Ta-ta. Cheerio. Hip hip.
All right. God save the Queen, man.